Hey guys, I have the Wormhole Virgo tattoo pen kit right here. We're going to open it up together and take a look. You can get this at wormholetattoo.com, but please use the link in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, let's take a look at the Virgo. Wormy wormies. Let's open the box. Here we go. Oh, nice. So they sent a lot of colors this time. I'm going to put that to the side. We're just going to take everything out right now, but there's some color. We have a box of cartridges. We have the machine. Oh, I sent a little packet of vitamin A and D, a little bandage wrap, some gloves, some caps, some silicone, and some paper, it looks like. It says Wormhole printer paper. And of course, Manuel. All right, let's go ahead and open the box. I can't wait. Nice. I have a beautiful pink machine here. Get ready to hunt for perfection with Wormhole Pro Virgo. Look at that. It's a very cool pink. I've never seen such a dark pink machine before. We have an RCA connection. That's amazing. And we have a battery, not to mention another battery. 2 batteries. Wow, that's a lot in this kit. It's amazing. These kits are only $100 to $150. That's an amazing amount of stuff already just for the machine. You get quite a bit. Underneath, they sent some accessories. Always nice to have. So this is to wire the RCA connection. So they've provided that for you. And of course, a charging cable. All right, let's take a look at what else they sent. The needles, the next best thing. Looks like we have a variety of needles here, a 5-round liner. Here's a 5 curve mag. I have a 7 curve mag and a 3-round liner. The next best thing I'm going to show you in this kit are these ink colors. They've sent all these amazing colors here. You can see there's primary and secondary. So pretty cool. There are a cool variety in here. I'm just going to open up the black and we're going to try that out. All right, that's everything on the table. You have the machine, all your accessories, bunch of great needles. You have gloves, bandage wrap. You have the ink cups, some aftercare, or you can use this as glide as well. And you have your inks. Pretty much everything you need is here except your barriers. So it's time to get started. All right, here is the silicone they've provided. It's about 1 millimeter thick. We can try out their stencil paper here real quick. Looks like it has a nice perforation. Just gonna put the Wormhole paper in my printer. Very nicely labeled paper, so you know what paper you're using. Sometimes that can be an issue. All right, let's go ahead and try out this paper. I do love that printer, so I'll put a link in the description. All right, looks like the paper printed just fine. Let's see how it comes off on the silicone. Okay, so they sent stencil paper and silicone, so I used it. See if it would come off on the silicone. Using a little bit of deodorant, it's no problem. Just don't forget your speed stick. Okay, we're gonna take a look here at the 3-round liner that Wormhole sent. There it is, the Wormhole cartridge. It's a nice looking cart. Okay, let's check out the battery on this machine. It has 0.1 increments, which I love for the voltage. Goes all the way down to 4 volts and then all the way up, I believe, to 12. Let's just see. Perfect. 4 to 12. And as you can see, it has the stroke adjustments on this pen from 2.4 to 2.7, 3, 3.3, 3.6, 3.9, and 4.2. So you get all those strokes in this kit, and honestly, so affordable. We're going to try out the 3.3 with the 3 round liner at 8 volts. So the machine feels really comfortable in my hand. I'm using their bandage wrap today instead of my floaty grip. Okay, let's try this out. So with the silicone being this thin, I just have to really rely on my needle depth. All right, there's the result there. It looks really good, actually. I'm at 8 volts. I feel like I could probably bring it down for the amount of silicone that's here. I think I was able to keep myself from going through. It's such a thin 1mm area. When we flip it over, we can see it doesn't have any breakthroughs. Of course, it's only 1mm. It's good to know that my tattooing can actually go that shallow, especially with the fine line. I think it's most important. All right, I'm not going to finish this one. I just want to see how the lines are going in now. That's much nicer at 7.5. So a little bit too high when I did the 8 volts, which is great. That means this machine is definitely strong enough to get through this type of silicone. It's a little bit hard to tattoo this silicone because it's so thin, and it's a little bit wobbly as you go through because it's so thin. So I would say my one thing so far about this kit is the silicone is a little bit thin. Probably want to pick up some thicker silicone. So it's definitely tattooing the silicone they provided just fine. It's only 1mm, so it is going to be challenging to keep that shallow kind of needle depth, but that is part of your training. I do want to see how this machine performs with a little bit of true skin as well. So I'm still at 7.5 volts at 3.3 for the stroke. A nice soft hit for that fine line work. It's so nice that you have the versatility with the Virgo that you can drop down your stroke length. Beautiful, nice little heart there. It looks very nice and saturated on the true skin as well. That can be a little bit of a difference. I just wanted to double check. So the 3 round liner is working great. I do want to see how this little machine can stipple shade. All right, so even at 4 volts, the dots are getting into the silicone. If the machine wasn't strong enough, we wouldn't see any dots. So I'm super happy with that. I can move on now to the 5 round liner. So usually with my 5 round liner, I have to run my machine just a little higher. I have all these increments in between the 3.3 and the 3.6, so I could go in between if I want to, which is awesome. Again, that's not something you get with other pens. So the Virgo actually is unique in that way. And it's not expensive. You guys can afford this one. Your apprentice can afford this one. Oops, I did that 4 volts, but it looks good. Forgot to go up to 7.5 volts. We're there now. And there we go. The lining feels much better. Some squiggly lines here. There we go. Just gonna run this one. It really feels good. Cool. I did this little squiggly here. This 5 round liner is performing beautifully. Okay, it seemed to get in a little better there with the 5 round liner. So nice to know that if you turn up your machine a little bit, you can get a different result. not just with the voltage, but with the stroke length. All right, I'm just going to try out this mag that they sent. It is a 7 curve mag. So I'm coming back down to 3.3, and then I'm going to drop my voltage a little bit. Beautiful, nice smooth shade there, you can see. Don't have to go very hard. You can just go nice and light. Which is what we want for these lighter settings. Yeah, all those little patches look great. Let's see if we can make it a little darker. I'm just gonna boost it up to 3.6. And now I'm gonna try to make it a little darker. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Let's see how dark I can get it. Beautiful. So I like to do a little patch test, make sure I can get the silicone black, and I sure can with this little machine. You can turn it sideways, and the stroke still down, but the voltage is a little higher. And then we can do some edging. It's really nice fine edging there. If I want it to be a little darker, I can go up and stroke. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, I can feel that getting in a little better now. There we go. So you can see really nice edging there, super precise. Very impressed with that. All right, let's check the vibration. See if you guys can see that. Yeah, vibration's pretty good, especially for the cost of this machine. It's not a work of art, but it sure does test the needle doing these types of lines. I can see pretty good stability with this little machine. Very impressive, especially for the price. Everything that you've just seen here, you can get all for just $100 to $150. That's a great value for this Virgo. It does everything that you'll need. It's a great starter machine. It's also a great professional machine. I would say you could use this in your studio on your clients as well as just on silicone. So recommend it for your apprentices, for your friends, or maybe you want it for yourself. But don't forget to use our link in the description below to buy the Virgo from Wormhole. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.